welcome back to my channel Imran's World Vision. Today I have made a project that is a smart OLED display table clock. This project I have made a model of a real-time clock in a small OLED display. We can make it compact and we can place in your table or fix it in the wall wherever you see the time. And it is also weightless and you can take it wherever you want. If you attach a battery, it will work on any place. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and like this video so that it will motivate me to do more projects. Now let's see what are the components are required. ESP32, 0.96 OLED, male-to-male jumper wires, breadboard, coding cable to code the ESP32, laptop or computer to code the ESP32. Now let's start the connection. Place the breadboard as well as the OLED display. VCC of the OLED should go to 3V3, which is 3 volt. The GND to GND, CL of the OLED to D22, SDA of the OLED to D21. Action is done. Now let's code the project. Let us open the Arduino IDE and it will load for a few seconds. Now let us open the code of this project. Yeah, this is the code of our project and we need to install some libraries like Adafruit GFX, Adafruit SSD1306 and Wi-Fi Manager. For that, go to Sketch, include library and manage libraries and it will open you to the library manager. Now search for Adafruit _ GFX and the second library which appears, which is Adafruit GFX library by Adafruit. Install it, install all, and it's successfully installed. Now the second one is Adafruit _ SSD1306 and the first library which appears, which is Adafruit SSD1306 by Adafruit. Click on install, install all. It's successfully installed. The third library, which is Wi-Fi Manager.h, it's not here in the library manager. So the other way to download is, I'll give you a link in the description. You can download it and we can add this to the Arduino IDE library. So let me show you how to do it. Go to Sketch, include library, add zip library, go to downloads or wherever you have saved the library and double click on the library and it will download. As I already installed, it's just asking me to overwrite. So I'm clicking on S. Yeah, it's successfully installed. Now in the 15th line, which is const long GMT offset _set equal to 19,800. It is the time difference between the UTC time and the time of our country. I'm just converted it into seconds. So let me show you how to find it. Go to Chrome and search for difference between UTC time and India time or whatever country you are. For example, in my country, the difference is between 5 hours 30 minutes. So if we convert this into seconds, it is 19,800. So this is what I have pasted here. Now everything is completed. Now let's go to the tools. Select the board as ESP32 Dev module and the port as COM4. In mine it's COM4. It can differ in your device, but in the front it will be mentioned as COM. So now let's hit the upload button. And while comparing to Arduino, you know, it just takes more time to upload the code. Now when it comes to done compiling, click on the boot button and it will start uploading. Yeah, it's showing done uploading. Now the time would be displayed. Let me remove the wire once and connect it. And it will take some time to change the timings. As you know, the time is 8:30, but here if it's 21:30, which is like if we subtract this 21 with 12, the time is 9:30. So this is the wrong one. So we need to change that. In the 15th line, which is const long GMT offset second equal to 19,800, we need to change it as 16,200, because we are decreasing 1 hour, because like you can see it's not showing the correct time, it's showing 1 hour higher. I'm not sure what's the problem. So change the second as 16,200 and now click on upload again. Let me try to find what's the problem, and I'll tell you in the next video. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now it comes to the end. And when it shows done compiling, click on the boot button in the ESP32 so that the code will upload fastly. Now after it uploads, you can see that the time has changed into 20:33, which is if you subtract with 12, it is 8:33. See, the time is same here. And the day which I am shooting today is Thursday. The video will come probably by Sunday, I think. And here there is the date also, but I am not sure whether you can see it. It's August 17th, 2023. Wow, the project is working very perfectly. We can make it compact and fix it in a wall or wherever place you see a time. And we can also carry this if we connect a battery here. So you can also try this project in your home. Please subscribe and subscribe my channel and like this video and comment down what project should I do next. Until that, bye.